Good morning, good morning. Yeah, today I'm doing a vlog. I'll be heading out to my morning walk. Me and my son are going for a walk. Yeah, so yeah, just continue watching. Yeah, this will be I think my second vlog. My second vlog for my channel. Like I'm gonna try to do an all day vlog. I'm gonna combine them, like piece there, piece here, and stuff like that. Sorry, morning voice people. So you know, I'm not gonna really sound all that. Yeah, so just bear with me. Okay, all right. So just continue watching. If you have not subscribed, please do. And I want to thank all my subscribers so far. I haven't made. I'm so sorry. It's 900 subscribers, and I'm going to 1,000 right now. And I have not made a video. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But I want to thank all of you that have subscribed to me. I've liked my comments, liked my channel, put comments, right? I'm not doing too much editing with this video, so I don't know why, you know me, I say okay or something. Yeah, but yes, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. I'm happy that I'm able to, you know, put my content out there, and I know that it helped not just only me, but it helped people out there that needs help as well. Right? Who's texting me, man? So early. And the morning, it's not that early, it's like after 10. Yes, so yeah, let's go for a walk. Alright. Leo, say hi. Wave. Hi. So, hola. Hi, everyone. If you skipped out the intro, then I'll tell you what we're doing. Come this way, Leo. This way. We're gonna cross. We're going for a walk right now. Yeah, my morning walk. So today I am doing my vlogging. Yes, this is my second vlog. Yeah, I'm trying people, I'm trying. So yeah, we're just going to do a walk, like a quick walk. Yeah, most mornings we do like a quick walk still. My husband was leaving this morning. He's like, Shana, get up, man. Well, he was like, Shana, get up, man. But he was like, leaving out. So he's like, Shana, get up. Remember, you have to go walk, right? I'm like, oh, because I went to bed so late last night. But come here. We walk. Yeah, so we normally walk. Sometimes we can check the mailbox if we haven't checked it yesterday evening or in the night. Oh, that's what we're doing right now. Leave that there. Oh, empty. I think we did checked it last night, so I don't think we will have anything in there. Let's go, Leo. Yeah. Hold hands. Yeah, so yeah. Just to do a little walk. Actually, let's walk over here. Let's walk around here. You know, when I got up this morning, it was cold. It was a little bit cold. I know in Calgary, Alberta, sometimes it's cold and sometimes it's not cold. And sometimes you're dressed for cold and it's not cold. So I felt cold this morning when my husband opened the door when he was leaving. It was cold. So now that we're ready and we're on the road walking now, I even put on a sweater on my son. I put on a sweater on my son and I put on just a light sweater for me. Right? It's not cold. Right? And me can't have to go back home. We go take off the jacket or whatever. So, you know, we're just going to walk it out. If you have to sweat, that's a good thing. So, I have no problem with that. So, you're just going to walk around a little bit. I normally walk around, not really say the block, but we live basically in like a circle, so I have to go like all the way around. So I normally walk that and then probably go through an alley and then come back around somewhere else and go around somewhere else. But we normally end up at the park for Leo and him go and play and I'm like myself. So that's where we're gonna head. Oh, House for sale. This house look nice. Let me show you. See? This house look nice, eh? Damn, this look nice. What am I getting at right now? This looks really nice. Yeah, so if you're in the area of Calgary, Alberta, and you're looking for a house in Calgary, there's some nice houses in my area. Reasonable, I would not say cheap. Reasonable prices. Yeah. So, yeah. I don't know. What should I talk about this morning? I don't really have anything to talk about, so I'm just a chill. I'm just a chill with you. Yeah, chill with me. What's wrong? What's wrong? Sometimes I always a create a scene. What's wrong? Your shoes? What's wrong with your shoes? You got a new shoes, so this is his first time he's wearing it. What's wrong? Do you want to hold mommy's hand? Okay, let's walk together. Yeah. Sometimes I feel like it's... Yeah. Well, it's not a horse. It's more like a... I'll say like a pony or a donkey. That's what he's looking at. He's saying a horse. Let's go. Let's go. We can't touch people's stuff. Come. Come. Leave the people... Where you been? No. Up. You cannot go on it though. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Run, run, run with mommy. Run. There's a cat down here. There's a meow. I'm trying to get him to come. There's a cat down here. Let's go. But there really is a cat. Hopefully you don't see it. See him down here because they normally pass and I call people cat. We don't have any animal at home, so and he's the only one that we have right now until we decide to have a next child. So sometimes it do feel lonely. I know that. I know. Everybody's saying like, oh, why don't you have one more? Make sure them, because he's like 2.5, and why don't I have one more? Make sure they're, you know, close together so they can bond more and stuff like that. I'm like, yeah, but I want to be more stable. I want to be more stable right now, so I can't say let's go have one more and then, you know, too much struggle if I'm no, I'm not into that. I'm not into that. Eh? I like some girls back home, like some of my friends back home, from high school time. Them, I should say, I don't know. I'm not saying all of them have a child, but most of them women don't have a child. Right, let's cross the road here. Going down here. So, yeah. Some people different. Well, it's a good. I guess it's a good time for fixing your roof and stuff. I don't even know if this handle fits, like the handle of the camera fits. So, hopefully you're seeing me. Hopefully you're seeing me properly, I should say. Wow. See them working. The sun I get hot. The sun I get hot. Oh yeah, so after my walk I have stuff that I need to do, and I don't know, I don't think I made a story time about this, but I haven't been working for a while, and yeah, I haven't been working for a while. Situations, I'll probably make a story time about that. I'm telling you, oh, some people are, let's go. Yeah, but I haven't been working for a while, so I have been having a little bit more time on my hand. And if you had seen my previous videos before, you probably have noticed that I've moved to a different house. So now that I have more time, I'm doing a few more things, which includes, you know, unpacking the stuff. I had to put liners in all my cupboards in the kitchen, and there's so much. Thankfully, there's so much because this now I get to have my own section, like a whole full section on the cupboard because it's so much easier that way, man. Let's go. Let's go. No, no, no. If you ever, this boy. Let's go. Come. Where's your tie? Oh, oh, wait. Oh, I see it. Come, come, come. I see it. It's in your back. Oh, jeez. Yo, we saw a joke, man. If just saw, oh, what's this? It's like, no, it's Sisuma. But just like I said, yo, that's not, the tree here look like Sisuma. You know, if you can't see it's a tree. People of tree, but that's Sisuma. From far, it look like Sisuma. Yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I think it's called, in Canada, it's called turkey berry. It's like a green berry, and them bitter. Yo, me see eat them, you know. Eat them bad, man. I don't like them. I don't like them at all. My mom used to love them. Then she used to love look after them, man. I'm like, yo, mama, take out that, yo, cause I don't like that. It's yeah. Where you going? You can't say one place? Come. One hand. But yeah, continue watching. This is just a little piece of what I'm doing. Yeah. Let's go. Yo, a lot of people doing work. It's even now, man. Don't trouble it. They're doing them landscaping and stuff like that before winter, which is a good thing. Because probably this winter is gonna be harsh. Yeah, so I'm showing you around my neighborhood. Hope you like it. Hopefully. And I'm hopefully hoping that I hold this camera at a good length so you can see. You're not gonna see the whole of me, but at least the part that we really see, you know what I mean? Right up as all. Yeah. Yeah. I'm probably gonna edit out right here. I don't know. Alright. Okay, hi guys. So I'm on my way to the store. You probably hear some noise because I'm on the road walking. My husband has a car. He's gone to work, so I'm just walking to the store. It's about, give and take, about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how fast you walk, but I don't walk that fast, so yeah. But I've been walking for a while now, and the sun is hot, and it let me feel hot, and then yeah, so that's where I'm heading. I'm heading. Jeez, I'm heading to Superstore. I have my son here in the stroller. Say hi, Leo. Hi. Okay. He's eating his bun. I brought the stroller just in case he decided that he doesn't want to walk. He doesn't want to walk anymore. Because knowing him, he's a very weighty pitney. He's a very weighty baby. So he's not much of a baby anymore, but he's my baby. Always will be. Yes. So sorry if I'm out of breath, but whew, the place is hot, and pushing the stroller, you know, easy with the one hand. So because I'm holding the camera with the selfie stick into the other hand, so that's why everything kind of feels just so more complicated right now. Yes, what I'm saying. This is my second vlog, so just bear with me, please. Just bear with me. And I may not be looking directly at you sometimes because I'm walking on the road, and I have to make sure that I'm looking because there's some crazy drivers and some crazy people live on this road, man. You'll never know, so I have to make sure that I'm watching. Yeah, so we're heading to the superstore. we're going to pick up a few things, and I'm going to look on a different formula for my son because he has eczema, but we're also not sure if the formula, because he do drink milk, like regular buttermilk, but he doesn't love it, so we bought formula for toddler age group still. So he drinks it probably like once or twice, like once in the morning and once in the night when he's going to bed. So we're gonna look for something different, like something soy based or something, because oh, hold on, if it's stopping at cool shit, God, I tell you. Yeah, so we're going to look for something soy based because we want to see, we're going to change him just to see if it's something with the formula, because he started preschool like 2 months ago and he had to stop because, you know, there was just too much and he was scratching them and stuff like that, and you know, we won't be able to be there every time to, you know, be constantly watching him and make sure that they don't scratch and stuff like that. So we wanted to keep him at home until they get better. Why was that? I wanted to be at home until they get better. So that's why we're going to, let's go again. That's why we're going to change the formula. I did already change the laundry detergent that I was using. I bought a sensitive one because I was washing his laundry because of his age now. I was washing his laundry with our laundry because of his age. When he was small, I wasn't doing that. So I start washing his laundry separate again and using a different detergent. So we wanted to see if that was the issue. But it's not. It's been a while since I've changed over the laundry detergent, and it could even be that we just have to try different things right now because it's just too much, man. It's too much. I will try. So we're gonna change the formula and see how that works and see if the formula the problem. Wouldn't mind if it's the formula the problem and just solve this thing once and for all. Yeah, so that's where I'm heading right now, the superstore, just to check up on the different type of formula that them have and see them prices, right? And I'm picking up a few things. I think by the time I'm ready, my hubby would be done work, so he could just come pick us up because that would be lovely. I should switch on because I'm near your type to push the soil. So yeah, I wasn't planning on going on the road today, but you know, when you have stuff to do, you have to do it. You have to do what you have to do. Yeah, that's just about it. I'll probably vlog a little bit when I go in the store because I have a few things to pick up, and today I probably make curry goat. My husband requested curry goat and rice and peas, so I probably make it today, and I probably do a little vlog on that, making it. Let's see, we'll see, maybe. I really think that I probably will. Hold on. Across the road, you know, to make sure it's me look, you know, I'm across the road because Oh, you know what I was gonna say? The weirdest thing. Oh, I'm gonna change that. The weirdest thing is when people are vlog on the road. That is so awkward to me. I'm not used to it, but I'm not used to it. But vlogging on the road is just different to me, and I look a bit strange. Everybody that stare on you, no matter how much time them see people with camera and, you know. But it just seems like the way them stare is like, yo, what am I doing? What that person are doing? or whatever. I'm taking a selfie. Yes, that's what I'm doing. You have a problem with that? Yeah. So this is a part of a daycare, child home place, child care. We're trying to get our son into this one. I don't know if you ever see it. Into the child care right here. Too expensive. Too expensive, man. And it would be good enough because could do just walk and carry him and drop him off, but I'm too expensive. We can't stay there. Yeah, but yeah, so I go about to cross the big main road, so I have to turn off the camera to make sure that we cross safely. Alright, later. I've been walking for 8 minutes. Okay, so in the store, and I found this formula for Leo, so I'm gonna try this one. It's pretty expensive, probably like $30 for the small little can of formula. So it's good for babies with cow's milk and milk protein allergy, for colic and easy to digest and stuff like that. Just add water. Everyone know that already. So I'm gonna try this one because I've been researching so far, and that's what it says. And the doctor, yes, if anyone asks, do comment. Yes, the doctor do recommend that we get try a different formula, or the milk, the cow's milk, like to try almond rice milk, something like that. You know what I'm trying to say. Yes, so that's what I'm trying. I just have a few more things to pick up. I just picked up some small stuff. I have plantains. Yes, I love my plantain. So I have that, and then just a few things, and I got 2 here, which is also avocado here. I pick up, and then we got the meat, and then we're good to go. Hubby will be here soon to pick us up. And we're done with the grocery store, and then back home, and then cooking and all those things. Yeah, so that's me for today. Yeah. Ting in Superstore about time. All of them have it. About time, all of them have it. And I pick up Leah's favorite drink now, Embrace Peanut Punch. I'm loving Embrace Peanut Punch. Yeah, we drink it hot. Wait, no, that's hot. You drink it room temperature. That's what I should say. Room temperature, we'll drink it. And I just have, oh no, not supposed to come this side. Supposed to go to the other side. Oh, the next thing I was supposed to say that Superstore have now is Chocolate Riddim. I don't know if it's there. Not the Chocolate Riddim. The chocolate, this is mango carrot, but this is a different type of Chocolate Riddim. Different label. I think they may be changing it up, but in Jamaica now. If you see of the different flavors there. And then you have Cool Runnings down there, pineapple ginger and all those things. And they have the ting and everything over there on this side. So yeah, they have a good selection of Caribbean stuff here. I don't even know if you can see me properly, but let's go over to the meat side and look for the goat. Some goat. What's wrong with you? What do you want? Say hi. No, you're not in the mood to say hi. You have to go to make a pickup. Right here, look on the price. Is it the goat? Yeah, why is it so expensive? Normally like $14, $15 for them. Jesus, please. Okay, everyone. Almost going to end the vlog now for the day. I'm just gonna do just a review of something before I end the vlog. I have my stuff set up here. I have my light over here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I have the camera. And yes, the camera that I'm using is the Nikon, not the Nikon D5300. So that's what I'm using to do my review and stuff like that. That's the video that that's the camera that I'm most likely to use when I'm doing sit down reviews and stuff like that, and chat and story. Yeah, so yes, today I didn't bother cook any curry goat because life happened. We had to do a few things on the road, so I couldn't get to do. So yeah, just have to do this review, get it over with for the night. It's about after 9 now, I think. Yeah, and we call it a night. So yes, I'll do a closeout after I do my review, let you know. And I'll also, probably not tonight, I'll upload the review for my capture card that I'm putting up. Yes, I'm a gamer, like a small little gamer, but yeah, do check out that video as well. My hubby is in the kitchen looking for something as usual because we have to go on the road, and Leo is sleeping. Yeah, today was hot. Me said today was hot. Yeah, me have on glasses. Yes, wear glasses. Sometimes I wear contacts, but because I'm going to do the review and I'm going to read some stuff, me just grab the glasses because, man, all the time I can't put in the contacts right now. I can't deal with that right now. I'm almost going to go to bed. And sorry about the shirt. I just have to deal with my hair and, you know, moist and all of those good things. Yeah, so yeah, I just that I'm dealing with right now. Continue watching until we close out. Alright. Okay, so now I'm in the vlog for the night. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me for the day. Today was hot. Sorry I didn't get to make the curry goat. I was gonna make it and vlog it and put it up. I didn't get the chance to because we were supposed to go to the other store to go get the goat, but we had to go and pick up something, and that kind of delayed time, and you know, everything messed up for the day. So that's fine. Next time I do curry goat and rice and peas. Some people like curry goat and white rice. But yes, thank you for watching, and thank you all my subscribers for subscribing to me and keeping up to date with me. Yes, I won't be doing too much editing to some of my videos because I'm a person that likes my thing natural and just straightforward. So yeah, if I'm buck or say something wrong or fix up my sentence a few times, please bear with me. Thank you again. I'll also link below like a few things that I probably mentioned in my previous videos that a few people asked me about a few things. I don't remember, I can't recall right now, but I will link it below in the description below, bar. And please do comment and tell me what, if you would like to see more daily vlog. I'll try to do my best with those and bring forward. Yes, so Shana, the other girl, out until I see you again. And please do keep your chin up. No matter what, the sun will always shine. Even if it rains with a week or 3, the sun will always come back out. Alright, take care.